Okay guys, what we are going to do now is create a third simple database sheet which will be a copy of this simple database 2 sheet. So let's do that. Now over here I have simple database 3 which is the copy of simple database 2 sheet, and now at the moment what we have is employee number over here, and everything is linked to that by use of VLOOKUP function. In the HR file we have employee number as the first column. In the department database as well we have the employee number as the first column, but over here in the address sheet there is no employee number as any of the column, but what we have in common is the NI number. So what we are going to do now is use the NI number as the lookup cell. So starting on, first of all, I will delete this sheet. I by mistake created it. So what I will do is first of all drag this sheet to over here so that we can work properly, and then over here I will select the set of heading cells, copy it by using Ctrl C, and coming back to my simple database over here I will paste the transpose. Yes. Now over here what I will do is apply VLOOKUP function, and the cell that we look up to now is not the employee numbers but the NI number, because it is there in the address, right? NI number is over there. So in the simple database what I will do is select this cell as the cell to look up value, and then followed by comma. The table array will be from the address sheet, and it will be from over here to Ctrl Shift right, Ctrl Shift down, and then what we want to do is display the second column, and as always false, bracket close and enter. Now I will apply this formula all the way down to address 5, and over here Ctrl Z, what I have to do is I have to delete this, come back to this cell, and see what happens when we do not use absolute reference. Now I will apply this to all the cells from address 1 to address 5, and over here what I will do is as usual I will change the column number to 3, then moving on here to 4, moving on here to 5. Now we have this set of address 1, 2, 3 and 4, and it's better to add them as a new entry to our highlighted area, as over here address 1, address 2, address 3 to over here, then address 4 to over here, and then our address 5 to over here. And I will quickly copy the cell format and apply it to this, as well as this. Now I have to apply cell format to this. I will copy the cell format using format painter and apply this to set of headings, and now I have to set the column width, and now we are done. So now when I change the MNC, that is employee number, from over here anything, the everything respective to this changes. So now we have 3 databases that are linked to each other by the use of formula VLOOKUP, and now we have multiple sources that are there are multiple sources from which we are pulling data from, and this is our final simple database employee database sheet over here.